Peace and love, everyone. This is Sister Iman. I am dropping another video. In this video, I'm going to read you this article about Scotland braces for a solar storm. Scotland braces for solar storm as NASA warns of swirling sun debris heading for Earth. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration had warned all major government bodies that the debris could cause disruption when reaching the globe later this week. A worldwide solar storm has been issued as NASA predicted that swirling sun debris could collide with Earth in just a few days' time. According to the Daily Record, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration has warned that effects of a coronal mass ejection could be felt globally as the debris that has escaped the sun could strike early next week. From Monday onwards, the plasma mass surrounded by a magnetic field that has been pushed out from the bottom of the sun could make its way towards our planet. The large pieces of debris may cause disruption when colliding with the globe. The space weather physicist Dr. Tamika Skov has noted that the sun's eruption will hit the south of the Earth. Tamika said NASA predictions show recent filament eruptions look to deliver a glancing blow to the Earth by late December 11th. Expect a mild disturbance, but the aurora is possible at high latitudes with sporadic amateur radio and GPS issues on Earth's night side. As reported by astronomers at the South African National Space Agency, there could be two potential coronal mass ejections that are potentially headed to Earth from filament eruptions. The first CME was expected to reach Earth today around 7 p.m. However, their confidence in this low due to limited imagery available for analysis. The second of these ejections will likely pass Earth with a possible weak influence on December 10th around 10 a.m. They said although solar wind speed will initially be background levels, it is expected to become enhanced due to aforementioned CMEs or possible influence from coronal hole 29 in the northwest quadrant. According to the astronomers behind spaceweather.com, the swirl of debris caused by the explosion from the sun will barely miss the Earth. They predict that the debris will fly just south of the planet. While no geomagnetic storms are expected from this incident, the near miss could spark auroras around the poles. According to the U.S. Space Weather Prediction Center, CMEs can escape the sun at speeds between 60,000 miles per hour to more than 6.7 million miles per hour. At these breakneck speeds, the fastest CMEs can reach our planet in as little as 15 to 18 hours. The SWPC says slower CMEs can take several days to arrive. What I'm going to do, I'm going to post the link to this article in the description box. I will close out this video. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.